Got money over everything, money on my mind. You know all that, why they got so? Tell them I apologize.
Perfect.
Got another drone out here, y'all. They wanted to catch this race too. Already, man. I appreciate it, man. Man, I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to do my thing.
Doing your thing with them boys.
I'm trying to get this last race.
Yes, sir.
Here we go. Don't start that on train. A chance to win $90K. And it was no full pass.
Perfect.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.